Kuwait, hello Philippines, hello Middle East, and hello world. This is Ms. Marjorie, one of the student consultants here in ICSA, and welcome to our live update today. Today I have a special guest, again one of our students that have completed our Computer Secretarial Training course. So sir, can you introduce yourself?
Yeah. Hi, this is me, Abdul Hadi Shahzad, and I am a student of ICSA Kuwait. So I'm started with the computer basic course.
Okay, that's good. So, sir, how did you find out about ICSA?
Actually, I found out with the website. There's Instagram and Facebook. So I should say
so you
that
found
I will
it in
visit.
the socials.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, so what motivated you to start your class for computer secretarial?
To improve my knowledge and skills.
Oh, that's good. So, can I know what did you like more about ICSA? Like, was it your experience?
Sure. It was a very good experience with the teachers, and it was like friendly environment.
That's
so
nice.
I like that.
So, sir, what do you plan on doing after your course, since you have completed it now, right?
I have completed, and after future, I will do business, inshallah.
Oh, that's good. I wish you good luck with the course.
Yeah.
So, may I know what your message would be for the students that are still currently continuing their studies and for those who plan on enrolling?
Yeah. So my message is to who are joining to ICSA Kuwait. So they should join here because there is experience. My experience was very good, and the teachers are giving their time, and study is always good. So you should join.
You didn't have any struggles like managing time?
All was good.
Okay, that's good, sir. So thank you for joining me here in our live. Once again, this is Ms. Marjorie with Sir
Abdul Hadi.
With ICSA, your partner in success. So for those that are interested in enrolling or planning to, or interested in joining for a computer secretarial training course and enhance their skills, you can comment down below or message us directly in our WhatsApp number +965 6680 3540. Again, this is Ms. Marjorie. Hope to see you in our next update. Thank you.